Hello friends, here's a simple model to show that how our lungs work. As you know, our lungs bring fresh oxygen into our body. They remove the carbon dioxide and other waste gases that our body doesn't need. To breathe in, we use muscles of our ribcage, especially the major muscle, the diaphragm. Our diaphragm tightens, allow us to suck air into our lungs. To breathe out, our diaphragm and ribcage muscles relax. This naturally lets the air out of our lungs. As you are watching, the orange balloon is working as diaphragm and the red balloon is working as lungs. When I tighten up the orange balloon, the red balloon suck up the air in. And when I relax the orange balloon, the red balloons let the air out of them. This is how our lungs work in our body. Thanks for watching this video.